Here she is playing in the fridge. I think she loves the feeling of the cold bottle against her lips. There, she almost broke a bottle there. This is probably not such a good idea, is it?